test section 120903 is referenced on the inside lane. They're just coming through with this particular mix now. This is PG grade 58 minus 16 super paved mix. They're placing a 65 millimeter lift. Utilizing a Roadtech RP 185 track mounted laydown machine. The material just prior to the test section here, we found it to be about 350 degrees. It was somewhat hot. They're using a 12-ton roller for initial compaction. On the way here, covering several passes in vibratory mode. The initial pass is static mode. You can hear it popping in pretty good shape. This is a fairly hefty lift, 65 millimeters. Shortly they'll compact several passes with the 12-ton roller, starting from the very inside edge of the lane and working their way out to the outer edge. Again, this is test section number 3. The mix really does look pretty good. We haven't seen really any signs of segregation in this particular PG graded 58 minus 16 test section 3. As you can see, it's a pretty healthy lift of material that they're placing. Time is actually 2:15 p.m. the time they entered this test section. See, they had a little problem here that they had to fix, and of course it made some anomalies in the uncompacted mat. And momentarily we'll get a temperature reading on this particular mat. Here's the compactive effort. This particular test section, this is a 12-ton roller which can compact in both static and vibratory mode. As you can see, they compact in static mode the first pass. And the second pass will include a vibratory mode. You get some film into it?
Camera didn't work anymore.
Why?
Button didn't go down.
Well, take the film out of it.
Lights down. Test section 2, station 0. You can see they have the crack relief on. They're approaching with the paving operation. We just had a pretty good little 10-15 minute rain shower. They're coming on along with their mix. Rollers are behind. One truck waiting. Probably get them to the station 0 here. Still station 0, they're coming through with the rolling patterns. The automatic light deal isn't working correctly, I think. There we go, you see the roller coming through. Static and then vibratory passes. They're big Dynapack double steel wheel tandem rollers. This is the asphalt plant for making the HMAC for the SPS9 here in Florida. This is in Lake City, Florida. Auto, we had some flickering. See there's the burner mix and the tower. The silos to store the material in. Some trucks are waiting. This is the control tower here I'm standing beside. It's going to get some video within the control tower, and it's broke down at this moment and they didn't want me in there. Swinging around this way, you can see the state office for the quality control and some of the materials stockpiled. And then I'll be walking around doing some other video. It's another angle looking at the silos. Here they're working on a new building. It's going to be a testing lab. I'm trying to have a hard time seeing through here. I'm not even sure if it's recording. I'm going to swing back around, look behind me, and see some stockpiles of a bunch more recycle mix. Back off in that direction. See another stockpile of some, looks like crushed granite aggregate. Same thing back this direction. It's more crushed aggregate. I'm standing right here by a bunch of half-inch stone they use in their crack relief layer. They put between the mill surface and the super pave mix on our project. In this angle you might can see the control tower overseeing the silos. And back over here is a tank, a couple of tanks that they have the AC oil in.